If you are a small YouTuber trying to grow your channel, there is one setting you might be misusing, and it could be hurting your chances of getting more views. And the setting is called publish to subscription field. For those of you that don't know what publish to subscription field is, publish to subscription field is a YouTube setting that when you turn on when uploading your video, it notify your subscribers that you have post. Immediately you post, is notifying your subscribers that you just uploaded a video. And you might be seeing it as a good thing. Yes, it is a good thing, but you have to use it the right way, or else it's going to hurt your channel. I'm going to be telling you why it might hurt your channel if you don't use it the right way. The first thing first is to go to my YouTube studio to show you where it is when uploading. If you are using your desktop version to upload, that is where you are going to see it. But if you are using your YouTube Studio app version, you are not going to see it. So let's go to my desktop version. This is my YouTube Studio desktop version. This is it. These are my videos. So I'm going to be showing you the video I scheduled and the video I have uploaded before. This is the video I scheduled to upload. So let's go down, let's scroll down. Okay, click on show more. And this is it. This is the setting over here. Publish to subscription field and notify subscribers. I make sure I put it on. I put it on so that I can show you in this video, because I'm going to put it off after this video. Reason if you put it on and you have uploaded your video, you cannot put it off again. But now that my video is not yet public, I can put it off. As I put it off, I'll save it. If this video go public, I will not be able to come back and put it off or put it on. So let's go to the video that I have uploaded before, that is live, the video that is already on public. So let's go. So this video is on public now. Let's go down and see it if it's on or off. This is it. Over here is off. I put it off when uploading this video. Now I cannot turn it off. I cannot turn it on, sorry. See, I'm clicking on it, but it's not turning on. It's not. This is it. I'm clicking on it. I want to show you here. I'm clicking on it. It's not turning on. The reason is because after uploading your video, you will not be able to turn this off or turn it on. So when you want to use this setting, it is when you are uploading your video. After uploading your video and it's already on public, you cannot be able to turn it off and turn it on. So the reason why this is affecting your channel is subscribers. You know, this publish to subscribers, as it said, publish to subscribers field. It's after you upload, it notify your subscribers first. And just imagine, as a small YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, you don't have the number of subscribers yet. You have little subscribers, and most times your subscribers are not active. And if you turn this on when uploading and your video finish uploading, and then notify your subscriber that you have uploaded, and your subscriber at that time they are not online to watch your video, it's going to make that your video to have low click rate. And if it has low click rate, it will be hard for YouTube to recommend that video to more people. It's going to be hard. You have small subscribers and it's going to lead to low performance of that video. But just imagine you didn't turn it on, you didn't turn it off, it's off when you upload. YouTube will not alert your subscribers immediately. YouTube will take it to themselves to recommend that video to outside people that are not your subscribers. So your video have opportunity to go viral. Your video have opportunity to meet more audience than you putting it on and just notifying your subscribers, and your subscribers are not active to watch it, and you have low click rate. It's telling YouTube that okay, your video does not have a valuable content. So that is why, as a small YouTuber growing, you are learning day by day. You have not started getting the subscribers, you have not gotten community that will always want to watch your video. It's important to turn this off. It's important to turn this off. So if you turn it off, YouTube will not notify your subscribers first. Yes, your subscribers may see it in their own page, but they might not get the notification on their notification box at first. Maybe later on, YouTube will be notifying them, or YouTube will not take it upon themselves to recommend that your video to outside people, to more people, and it has opportunity for other people to watch it. And if they watch it, you have high click rate. YouTube will start recommending it to more and more people. Well, just imagine they recommend it to your subscribers are not watching it. It will have low click rate, and it's going to hinder you getting more views, and it's going to hinder YouTube from recommending your videos. That is why it's important to have this when publishing your video. It's really important, and don't make a mistake. You know that you cannot turn it off again or turn it on when after publishing your video. So you need to know, do you want to leave it on? Do you want to leave it on when you are publishing your video? So this is what I have to say in today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't make a mistake. We learn every day. I myself, from beginning, I used to turn this on until I came across a video also, and it has actually been helping me. So I hope this video was able to help you today. And we have come to the end of today's video. See you all in my next video. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, and if you have any question, you can write it on the comment section. Bye.